Happy Halloween! Got Snow White in her slippers. And then Nico is a skeleton at the moment. I'm sure that'll change in the next 2 hours. I'm still picking up costumes. They have changed their mind 10 times. I'm like, you guys, we are not doing this. We are not going to change our minds on October 30th for something else. Ugh. But I miss their Halloween parade. I miss their Halloween parties at school. I don't know why our school this year decided to do it on the Friday before Halloween. Super anticlimactic. I'm not a fan. Okay. I'm wearing red lipstick because Naoma was wearing red lipstick as Snow White and wanted me to join her. Oh my goodness. Nico has been up since 5:30. He's not feeling so hot. Well, he's just exhausted. So he might have to skip his Halloween party at school today and take a nap. Okay, go say trick or treat to Stan. Where is it?
Go.
There it is! All right, Snow White and Winnie the Pooh. We're gonna get our face in the sand and go to work today. Lots of work to be done. Like, I can't even imagine having the time to do that. I am happy for her. I'm so happy that she can just chill and use her brain just how she wants to. And it's not scrambling with kids and homework and Halloween and all the things. I am blown away. Oh my heck, it's just numbers. I don't have the brain power. Like, I'm too freaking tired all the time. I'm jealous. That's really what it is. It came in time. He is a SWAT officer.
Look at me.
Oh, and Nico's a twin. Did you get the hat on?
Mom,
get the hat on right there.
Mom, already Nico doesn't have one.
Okay, I'm here at the gym, and I freaking told Adana I will not pick her up because she made me drive all the way out here until she does it. So she freaking better do that flick on the high beam. Those other requirements. Okay, let's go. I gotta go. Just get it done. Pistol squat. Go. Don't hesitate. Go. Yes. Yes, thank you. Do it again. Flick. Go. Go. Yes. Okay, so we want the pause to be a lot shorter. Do not hesitate. Own it. Go. Go. Yes. Let's go. Push. Do not wait. Go. Yes. Can you do 2 flicks?
Struggle for me.
Do 2 flicks.
In a row?
Huh? Yes, you can. Okay, let's go. Decide and commit. Don't wait too long or you're going to talk yourself out of it. Decide and commit. Go. You can do it. Don't hesitate. Dig deep. Find it. Let's go. You can do it. Go, go.
Mama, you don't do that.
All right. Good job. All right, we're just pulling up to my sister's house, whose husband is Halloween obsessed. We've got a dead body right here, folks. I know lots of you might not think that that's that funny, but he thinks it is. He's got a car. I mean, he has full-on appendages. Oh dear.
Dude,
that's pretty funny.
So cool. I'm so excited.
Okay, go. Go. See if I can grab me a
He
scone.
has police sirens.
He's got police sirens. Oh,
Oh,
yes,
look,
he
do you see the
does. Yes.
That's
He
so
means
sick.
business. I mean, he's got, is it Myers? Michael Myers? And then this guy right here, that's kind of terrifying right there. Or is that Michael Myers? Oh, I don't even know, but it's scary. Oh, look, and it's a Kizik shoe. Look, it's a Kizik shoe.
There's your honey butter scone, Mom.
Thank you. Got a little cemetery here. Got Pennywise, Freddy Krueger. Do you know who these guys are, Adana?
Yes, I know who this is. That's Freddy Krueger, right? That one right there with the knife?
No. Wait, Edward Scissorhands. I don't know which one's which
That
now.
was Freddy Krueger, isn't it?
No, that's Michael Myers.
What? Then I have no idea
I don't know who
That's
this
Freddy
guy
Krueger?
is. Oh, but he's got guts coming out. Look at this guy
That's just...
and this guy. Oh, it looks like a woman. Does she have a bosom? Anyway. He's about to traumatize children tonight. Okay, be safe. Have fun.
I will.
Okay?
Okay.
Are you kissing him?
Yes.
Oh dear. Yeah, okay, we're ready. Let's go get in the sun so we can take your picture. We got a lot of cops today.
Are all these the same?
And Nico, where's Nico? Nico, where are you? Nico, come here quick. Come get a picture. Happy Halloween. 1, 2, 3. Happy Halloween. All right, let's rock and roll. Go to Jane first. Go, Nico, go. Go.
Mom, are all these the same or
They're all the same. Yeah, that one's big though.
This one's bigger?
Yeah.
Can I just
Yes, take it. Go. Go, bud.
Should I just use the blue?
Whichever one you want. Just decide. That one looks better because you're navy blue with navy blue. We'll probably last about an hour and then they get tired. And then I'll start raiding their bags looking for you know what. Peanut butter M&Ms, Twix, Butterfinger Snickers. I love the chocolates. What did you find? Did you get
M&M's.
what? Oh,
M&M's.
peanut. That's good. Close enough.
Mom, I'm giving these to you. I don't like
Yay! What'd you get, Nico? Yahoo! Okay, go to Sandy. She'll love it. She loves it. Yay, Ari!
There's more.
We're gonna get a picture. Oh, I love it. Hey. Yay! Thank you.
And let me get some.
You want to go say trick or treat? You want to hold
Did
it?
you get some, Neoma? Trey's finding me some peanut butter M&Ms. Yes. Thank you, Treyu. All right, let's go. Everywhere. There it is where I can tighten it.
Yeah, can you?
Yes.
But not right now. Look at my head.
Yes, we got a king size house. Woo!
I wish I could have. Mom, can I run to the next house?
Do you want that one?
I already got
Oh, okay. Yes, go to the Miles. You got some what?
double bundle.
Double bubble, my favorite. They have to give me peanut butter M's and double bubbles. Yes, that's my boy. Get some. Go get nice and warm and toasty.
Won't you hold it for me?
You want me to get it for you?
Yeah.
There you go. Just hold your head up. It's his.
Yeah.
Thank you. There you go. We're just always trying to keep up here with the toddlers. Thank you. You guys got some good ones? Yeah! You love M&Ms. What'd you get?
Mocha.
Snickers! Woohoo! It is Nico's lucky day. Oh, some root beer. I thought you said there were chips.
Yeah.
Did you only get one?
Yeah, and I've just had too much sugar.
To pick his nose to get a treat. Kenya's getting boogers on her hands. Very nice. Oh, I went in too far.
Just know.
One for you. And one for Nico. Did. That's so cute. I am the sacrificial lamb. Okay, I'll help you. I've got some tired kids. She has got my sweatshirt on because I am unprepared this year. I was like, Adriana, you're doing this flick before we leave this gym. I know she looked like she was mad at me, but she was actually very grateful. Needs a little bit of satema underneath her. Some of that fire up her rear end is what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's go, Naoma. Let's go to the baby monster house that you guys have waited for all year. We made it. Look, they're doing some tarot cards. Oh, the Ouija board. Oh, that's pretty dark. Look at it's the rat from Princess Bride. Look at that big skeleton. Look, Naoma. You okay, Nico? You made it! Okay, let's go home. Okay, I'll put it in. The skeleton? Where? Oh, is he popping out of there? Oh, scary. Oh, yeah. Ah! There he was. Let's go. Okay, if you guys have followed long enough, you'll know about this zombie containment area. I mean, we don't need to pay for a haunted house. And this sweet family, they give each other these kinds of gifts for their anniversary. She got that for her anniversary last year. And what I love most is that they've got the food bank here. It takes on that's a skeleton. Okay. It takes on a whole new meaning for me seeing food bank signs because I go to food pantries in the Bishop's storehouse and it just makes me love these guys even more for serving. Which one is he, guys?
Which one is he? I see you moving, Scream. I see you moving, Scream.
Okay, go up and see.
I'm so scared.
Which one is he?
You go up and find out.
Oh, come on. I thought you were going to be brave this year.
You know what? I don't care. We come. Wait, ready? Ready? Sing it. Sing it. Not yet.
Yeah, it's a perfect time to do it. Do it. Start singing it.
2, 1. We come in peace. We mean no harm.